Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Fitbit coach for personalized training, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with Fitbit coach for personalized training, start by opening the Fitbit app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app yet, download it from your device's app store. Log into your Fitbit account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Today tab at the bottom of the screen. Look for the Fitbit Coach option in the Exercise section. Tap on it to enter the Fitbit Coach interface. If prompted, allow the app to access your location and fitness data. You may be asked to complete a short fitness assessment. This assessment helps the coach tailor workouts to your fitness level and goals. Follow the on-screen instructions to answer the assessment questions. After completing the assessment, you'll receive personalized training recommendations. Browse through the available workouts and select one that interests you. Tap on the workout to view details, including duration and difficulty level. Once ready, hit the Start button to begin your workout. Follow along with the coach's instructions and video demonstrations during your session. To track your progress, return to the Fitbit app after your session. You can view your workout statistics and insights under the Exercise tab. Feel free to explore additional workouts and challenges within Fitbit Coach at any time. Regularly check back for new content and updates to keep your training fresh and engaging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.